Hi, I'm Sandra-Carlisle, and welcome to my channel, where we explore entrepreneurship from strategy to spotlight. In this short video, we're going to talk about your business and how to make it that hidden gem that everyone is talking about. So in today's short video, we're talking about your business and its potential to become a hidden gem. I'll give you ideas on how to make it shine. Have you ever wondered what makes a business a hidden gem? I know I have, especially with trying to build. I want to be that hidden gem that everyone is looking for. And you got to admit, the marketplace is super crowded. With everything online and technology, it's that more difficult to even really get to know some of your customers at times. So stick around and we'll uncover some of these secrets on how to make your business stand out in the crowded marketplace and be described as that hidden gem. So in this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of business and take AI creativity to a new level of ROI. We're going to explore the concept of the hidden gem and how it can truly set a company apart from all the competition in that industry. What's the main problem here? The main problem is all the competition and all the noise and all the other people that are vying for audience attention. And you got to admit, the way to get people's attention is always shifting and changing. The major challenge most businesses face is standing out and making an impact. It's not easy to capture the spotlight and the attention. It's not easy to capture the spotlight and create a lasting impression on your customers and clients. So what are the specific characteristics that transform a business into a hidden gem? Could it be a unique offering that sets you apart from the rest? Exceptional customer service that keeps people coming back? Or innovative marketing strategies that make a lasting impact? So what we need to discover is what aspect of your business is going to make it a hidden gem. Businesses that are described as hidden gems give the public and the customer exceptional value. They start out often being overlooked, but once discovered, they become a cherished find. So what are some of the concepts that make these businesses so exceptional? It could be a unique offering, the exceptional customer service, or innovative strategies that get you noticed. So let's dive deep into all of those. So before I go further, if this subject seems to be of value to you, please share it with someone else that could value from its message, because it's that act of sharing that helps build the channel. And by building the channel, you're helping me bring more content out to you that will help you with building yourself as that hidden gem. If you could, please do that. Thank you. All right, back to the subject here of the hidden gem. So let's break it down. So a unique offering. It could be niche specialization. Once you define your niche, what makes you different? I know here on this channel, what makes it different is all of my experience, all my previous experience in the art world, in the financial world, and in marketing. That's what I bring to the table. That's what makes this channel and my business, Wealthy Palette Media, different. It could also be a specific product, service, or your target or a target audience. Specialization is what is going to set you apart. And the way, like I just said previously, the way I found my specialization was to think about, and actually I listed them out as to all the things that I have done in my life and what really jazzed me up. And art and finance is what jazzes me, you know? So list out all the things that you do, and you could even bring in some of your hobbies. I mean, if you're really into golfing, is there a way to pull maybe the fact that you're a CPA into golf? How can you put those two together and create a company that would be niche specialized? Also, a unique offering could be a problem solver. You can highlight how your business solves a unique problem. I know, again, I'm going to refer to what I know best, which is Wealthy Palette Media. I see a unique problem that entrepreneurs are having in getting noticed and marketing. And this is not a new problem. This is a problem that has been going on for forever because there's always competition. And so, you know, think of what your business does that solves a specific problem, because people love solutions. Everyone loves a solution to their problem. Position your business as the answer to a need. That's going to make your business stand out. Next area would be storytelling, one of my favorite. Every business has a story. And I will say, from my experience, the story usually starts with the owner or the founder of the business. You know, again, for me, you know, I just was exhausted in trying to straddle, you know, being a creative and working in the financial world. It was just exhausting because I needed to create. I couldn't stop. If you're a creative, you know what I mean. You just can't stop creating. And I didn't find the opportunities within the financial world because I had a certain job and I was expected to do that job and not think out of the box. So every business has a story. Share yours authentically. Just be out there, be who you are, whether people, whether you think people will like it or not, because it is what's going to set you apart and make your business unique. It actually does connect you with customers on a deeper level. They want to know who you really are, not who they see in the buttoned up suit. Number two is exceptional customer service, giving that golden touch. So go the extra mile. In your marketing, you can share examples of where you've gone the extra mile for your clients. That will help potential clients to know that you're there for them and that you will go that extra step to make their problem go away. Personal touches, surprise gifts, gifts around the holidays, remembering your clients' special days of the year, their birthday, anniversaries. Just as important, exclusive offers to maybe some of your best clients, because you need a range of clients, but you don't want, but losing one of your best clients would be very painful. So maybe making exclusive offers to those clients will build their loyalty to your brand. The second one within that exceptional customer service would be build the relationship. So by going the extra mile and doing exclusive offers, you are building relationships, but it has to be authentic. So be genuine in what you do. When you are giving a gift, don't just give a gift that's going to mean something to that person, not general. Make it more specific and more focused to that particular individual. Treat them like friends, not clients, because actually over time, they do become your friends. Lastly is listen and adapt. So even just repeating what somebody said, asking for clarification, asking them questions. Your clients are probably the best resource in how to build or transition your business to better serve not only them, but a larger audience as well. So ask them. They probably would be more than happy to give you their opinion or, give you some input on how to make your business better. By listening and adapting, maybe what they're telling, adapting to what they may be telling you is going to show you care and that you're responsive in their problems and their concerns, and that you're willing to adapt to the situation and make changes within your business, or maybe it's just in their project that you're doing for them. So it may be client specific or it may be business in general. So my last talking point is innovative marketing. How to shine that spotlight on your hidden gem. First, create a digital footprint. I know I did a video a while back about SEO and creating backlinks. You may want to, I'll put that video in the description or link it at the end of this video so that you can watch that. But that is a great way to increase your digital footprint. And as you do that, you're going to get noticed, giving you a strong online presence. And we could do that in other ways. We can build out your SEO, so your search engine optimization and your keywords and your tags. We also can build out your social media with great content, and that will help to get you noticed by potential clients. And then there's even just, word of mouth or doing, or having videos that your clients are willing to make for you about your business. That's perfect. That's like free advertising. There's also email marketing, which is also very important, building your book of business and building your clientele. And like I asked earlier, for you to share this video with others that may benefit from its message, that helps me build the channel. And by building the channel, it reaches out to even more people. Content is king. Now, we've all heard that. But if content is king, video is queen. And I know with Wealthy Palette Media, we're doing a lot of branding videos for different businesses. And I would suggest that a branding video would be the way to go. Reason why? First of all, you can make the content fun and entertaining and enjoyable, but still get your message across. But also because people don't have time. They don't have time anymore to sit and read or, even like read information on your website. They just don't have that time. And to watch a video, they can do on their phone and listen to. They don't even have to watch it. Create very branded messaging and very strong content and keep it consistent. You can do this through, like I said, the video, blogging, social media content creation. And there'll be more videos on all of those subjects. So again, stay tuned. The last one in this section of innovative marketing would be leveraging partnerships. Explore the benefits. Don't be afraid to reach out to companies that are within your industry, but maybe doing things a little differently and collaborating with them. I know in my space of marketing, there's a lot of ways to skin this, right? And I've chosen to niche down into AI. And I've had more feedback with niching down than the crickets that I had previously. So, yeah, collaborate with other businesses that do other things. So I love creating AI content. I love doing videos, but what I don't really care about is email marketing, or I mean, I care about it, but I don't enjoy doing it. So I'm trying to bring Wealthy Palette into what I actually enjoy doing, and then collaborating with other marketers and other creators to do the other content, which would be, again, email marketing, building websites, the two I can think of right now, because I still love to help build that brand and still love to build out the brand strategy and create a branded video. So why would you do this? Why would you leverage partnerships or create partnerships? Well, it's going to expand your reach and introduce your business to new audiences. So, like the people that I've partnered with for the websites, maybe their clientele has not actually thought to do a branding video, but I can do that. So, I can give them the website, they can give me the branded video, we're all making money. And so the businesses that have contracted our services get the best of everything. So leveraging partnerships can also be joining business groups, which I did a video on that as well. I do see the value in that, because there are people within business groups who are connectors and they have a large book of business themselves, and they're willing to connect people where they find value and find hidden gems in what they're doing. So if someone finds great value and finds your business to be a hidden gem, they will be more than happy to talk about you. So until next time, thanks for watching.